Hello friends, this is the Vivo X300 Ultra, the flagship smartphone. It is full specifications. Vivo X300 Ultra. Start the video. General and design. The Vivo X300 Ultra is a premium flagship smartphone designed for professional photography and high-end gaming. It runs on Android 16 with Origin OS 6, offering a smooth and modern software experience. The phone features armor glass protection and comes with IP68 and IP69 water and dust resistance, making it highly durable. It weighs 232 grams or 237 grams depending on your variant. Display. The device features a 6.82-inch LTPO AMOLED display with support for 1 billion colors and a 144Hz refresh rate. For an ultra smooth viewing experience, it has a 1440 into 3168 Quad HD Plus resolution, delivering around 510 ppi pixels density for sharp visuals. The display reaches up to 4500 nits peak brightness and supports Dolby Vision, HDR10 Plus and Ultra HDR for outstanding color accuracy and contrast. Now, performance. The Vivo X300 Ultra is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, delivering a flagship level performance for gaming, multitasking and AI features. It comes with 16 GB LPDDR5X RAM and it available with 512 GB or 1 TB UFS 4.1 storage. The phone does not support a micro SD card. Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. Now, this camera. The smartphone is equipped with a powerful ZEISS triple camera systems. Main camera 200 MP Sony LYT 901 sensor with f slash 1.85 aperture or OIS. Telephoto camera 200 MP Samsung sensor with f 2.67 aperture and 1 slash 1.28-inch sensor and OIS. Ultra wide camera 50 MP Sony sensor with f2.0 aperture. On the front it features a 50 MP selfie camera with autofocus and detailed selfie and high quality video calls. Now recording. The Vivo X300 Ultra supports 8K video recording at 30 fps and 4K video recording at up to 120 fps. Superb. It also supports 10-bit log recording and Dolby Vision, making it an excellent choice for professional videography. Now, battery and charging. The phone packs a massive 6600 mAh battery for long lasting uses. It supports 100-watt wired fast charging and 40-watt wireless charging, allowing you to recharge quickly. 6600 mAh battery and 100-watt fast wired charging and 40-watt wireless flash charging. Now connectivity. The Vivo X300 Ultra offers a complete set of modern connectivity features including 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, UFS, USB Type-C generation 3.2 and dual SIM supports. It also supports eSIM in international markets. The flagship smartphone combines a stunning display, top tier performance, professional grade cameras, and a large battery, making it one of the most powerful Android smartphones available. Now this is the Vivo X300 Ultra.